GE Healthcare has become the first to sign up for a 3-year collaboration effort.
More effective, better outcomes, more cost effective for the hospital systems, etc. If all those things are happening with our products, that's just it's a win for everybody.
We go to a lab, we come together, we develop ideas, and 2 minutes later, and a few feet forward, you are applying those ideas and testing them right there in real life.
If I could describe Phil in one word, it would be breakthrough. Our team experienced several product thinking breakthroughs while we were working with both the Phil team and their doctors, trying to understand our problems better.
The first time I went to Phil, I expected some conference room off the lobby, and what impressed me the most was that we had to twist and turn through different corridors inside, again, a major health system to find ourselves at the Phil, the location. And so it's right smack in the center where care is being delivered 24 hours a day.
As an engineer, I didn't know fully what to expect in an innovation lab, right? I was expecting to get a chance to talk to doctors, but I don't think I was expecting to have kind of the design thinking framework.
To get this empathy before we start and really get in the shoes of either the healthcare worker or maybe the patient to really understand the problem. And with that often comes a reframing of what our problem is.
The equivalent of what they were doing to us as engineers was if we sent them to an Excel boot camp for a week, right? So I'm trained as an engineer to think very logically and get to my boxed answer, right? So it took some of my deeply ingrained Excel thinking and flipped it on its head so that I could have good conversations with the doctors.
Empathy is critical in any design process, and I think as GE, it's critical that we can walk in the shoes of either the healthcare worker or the patient that we're trying to help.
I would really recommend Phil to any organization or any team that's just trying to understand how the workflow within a hospital actually functions, and then who wants to understand where the pain points are and how to solve them.
It's a great opportunity to build upon ideas, get early input into the development cycle before we go too far down a path.
If you're looking to understand what happens between the point X happens to a patient and Y happens to a patient, work with the Phil team to help you unpack it.
And as a patient-centered company, one that are looking for innovations to improve outcomes for healthcare providers, we absolutely have to be connected with healthcare providers in our R&D processes, and the Phil provides a great opportunity for that.
If someone's second guessing taking a project to Phil, I would say don't be scared off the first time they ask you to jump into the middle of a circle and make a strange noise. Trust the process. There's a method to the madness, and you'll just learn a lot as you get to work with the Phil team and with the doctors that they have relationships with.